The ancient Stoics discovered 12 timeless secrets to doing your absolute best no matter what life throws at you. These principles shaped emperors, guided warriors, comforted slaves, and strengthened philosophers. They built a mindset that no chaos could shake. Here's what they knew that you must remember. First, focus only on what you control. Your thoughts, your choices, your actions, these are yours. Everything else, from the weather to the opinions of others, lies beyond your reach. When you stop fighting what you cannot change, your mind becomes calm. When you master your reactions, you master yourself. Second, start each day with intention. Before you face the world, prepare your mind for it. Ask yourself, what challenges might I meet today? How can I meet them with wisdom, courage, justice, and discipline? The Stoics called this premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of adversity. Those who prepare mentally are never truly surprised, only tested. Third, do your absolute best, then let go. Pour your full energy into your work, but detach from the outcome. The result doesn't define you, the effort does. You cannot command success, only your part in striving toward it. Freedom begins when you stop trying to control what was never yours. Fourth, view obstacles as opportunities. When the world blocks your path, let it train you. Every challenge is a chance to grow stronger, wiser, more patient. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Nothing that happens is truly against you, it's for your refinement. Fifth, practice negative visualization. Imagine losing what you take for granted, your possessions, your comforts, even the people you love. It sounds dark, but it awakens gratitude. When you recognize how fragile life is, you stop wasting it. You see that everything you have right now is a temporary gift, and gratitude is the foundation of peace. Sixth, remember you will die, not as a morbid thought, but as a call to live fully. Death gives urgency to life. It strips away trivial concerns and exposes what truly matters. Don't postpone living. Don't wait for the right time. Live with purpose today, because the future is never promised. But there's more. Seventh, judge nothing as inherently good or bad. Life is neutral. Your interpretation gives it meaning. The same event that breaks one person strengthens another. The Stoic trains the mind to see beyond surface appearances, to find the lesson inside every situation. Peace comes not from events, but from perception. Eighth, speak less, act more. The wise man rarely boasts. His actions reveal his principles. Words are easy, virtue is hard. Each moment offers a chance to prove your character silently, through integrity, patience, and consistent effort. Let your life speak for you. Ninth, embrace discomfort voluntarily. Don't wait for life to challenge you. Seek challenges on your own terms. Take cold showers, fast occasionally, train your mind and body to endure what others fear. Comfort breeds weakness, struggle builds strength. If you can remain calm in voluntary hardship, you'll be unshakable when real storms arrive. 10th, be indifferent to praise and blame. The world will always have opinions, let them. Whether others call you a hero or a fool, neither changes your reality. True peace comes when you no longer need validation to know your worth. Live by principles, not applause. 11th, live in the present moment. The past is beyond your grasp, the future is uncertain. Only the present exists, and even it slips away as you speak. Don't waste it worrying or wishing. Look around. This moment, right now, is life itself. Pour yourself completely into it. 12th, practice virtue in every action. Ask yourself before you act, is this wise? Is it just? Is it courageous? Is it disciplined? These 4 Stoic virtues form the compass of a noble life. When you follow them, you cannot be lost. Virtue turns ordinary choices into steps toward greatness. These 12 secrets aren't abstract ideas, they're practical armor for the mind. The Stoics didn't talk about peace, they practiced it in the face of chaos. They didn't just debate virtue, they lived it through poverty, power, war, and loss. Their calm wasn't luck, it was training. And you can train the same way. Each day, apply one principle. Reflect, adjust, improve. Over time, you'll find that life doesn't get easier, you get stronger. Your best isn't about perfection. It's about showing up with clarity, giving your full effort, and surrendering what lies beyond your reach. That is the Stoic way, steady, grounded, and unbreakable. Master these 12 secrets and nothing will stand in your way. Subscribe for more ancient wisdom to strengthen your mind and transform your life.